In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete Threads account. Start off by tapping open your Threads application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then from your profile page, you'll be able to see the two lines at the top right hand corner. Give it a tap and then this will open up the settings menu. From the settings page, tap on account. Now select deactivate profile. Remember that you will not be able to find the delete account button, but instead you can deactivate your Threads profile since your Threads account is linked with Instagram. Simply tap on deactivate Threads profile at the bottom, and remember that this will not affect your Instagram account. You'll only be deactivating your profile that you created on Threads. Tap on deactivate one more time to make sure you want to deactivate the account, and there you have successfully deleted or deactivated your Threads account. If you ever want to get back to the platform and log in using an Instagram account, you can simply tap on the login with Instagram button and follow the prompts in order to get access back to your Threads account. That was how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.